Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: API key in a secure var, endpoint URL, and auth method. Then make your first call to a small, known resource to verify connectivity. This validates credentials and shows response structure. Once done, capture headers, status codes, and a sample JSON body so you know what to parse. Make sure to log request ID and timestamps for debugging and to avoid repeating obvious setup steps. Next, focus on extracting usable fields and handling pagination. You inspect the JSON to find arrays and nested objects, then write parsing logic that maps keys to your database schema. If the API paginates, implement cursor or page token handling so you fetch all records without duplication. Once implemented, batch requests and respect rate limits. This prevents throttling. Make sure to normalize dates and types during ingestion to finally wrap extraction with reliability. Add retries with exponential backoff, idempotency keys for safe replays, and graceful handling of partial failures. You should validate ingested data with row counts and checksum comparisons, then commit to storage only after checks pass. Once complete, schedule periodic runs and monitor metrics. If something goes wrong, first check auth, rate limit headers, and last success timestamp. Those clues quickly reveal whether it's credentials, throttling, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.